Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to block someone on Facebook. If you want to block someone on Facebook, first of all go into your Facebook app. Open your Facebook app in your mobile and log in your Facebook account. So just log in your Facebook account. Now you have to find that friend whom you want to block. So to find your friend, first of all click on the right side three lines and click on see your profile. After clicking on see your profile, you have to scroll down and click on see all friends. After clicking on see all friend, you will see the friend whom you want to uh, block. So if you don't find that friend, you can search their name, search his or her name, or you can also, so if after finding that friend, just click on the the three dot like this. Just click on the three dot, and as you will see that option, block Akash Kumar. So if you want to block that person, just click on block. After clicking on block, you will see the notification. People you block can no longer tag you, invite you into event or group, start conversation with you, add you as a friend, see things and your post on your timeline. So like this, that person will not do anything related to you, tag you or anything, start conversation, group, anything. So if you want to block that person, just block that person and click on the block. After clicking on the block, you have blocked that person. So like this, you can block anyone on your Facebook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.